Hi guys, today we are going to see how indicators are added to TradingView's chart. So we can see that I have added one of the stock for study purpose. This is Tata Motors from NSE, National Stock Exchange. So we can see the chart is already shown here, and we are going to learn how step by step the indicators is added to this chart. So for that we are going to see the top tab, and we can see that indicators is mentioned here. We are going to click on the indicators, and we can see one of the dialog box is opened up. So most common indicator that we are going to use is the volume indicator. So I am going to type volume here, VOLUME, volume. See the volume up here. So we are going to click on the volume here, and you can see the volume has already arrived here. So this is a very common indicators used for entry signals. So you can see that this is a whole day chart, and we can see that this is a 5-minute chart, which means each candle represents 5 minutes price movements. So out of this volume, in between that we can see that this is the most volume candle here. So we can see that there is a change in direction of trend. So this is the first volume changer candle. So whenever this appears, we can see the price is changing its direction, and so this will be a good position for taking trade. So we will take trade from here, and we can get the profit easily. So this is a very important indicator in any kind of trader, such as day trading, swing trading, and investors. So we are going to move to the next indicator. So again we are going to the indicators tab, and next we are going to add exponential moving average. Actually there are two kind of moving average. One is smooth moving average or simple moving average, or there is an exponential moving average. Exponential moving average is more useful than the other one, so we are going to use exponential moving average or EMA. So I'm going to type EMA. We can see moving average exponential here. We can click on here. See, already the moving average exponential has came here. See how well it is respected in this candle. You can see that the price is respected the exponential moving average, and here it is getting out of its touch. We can see it has reached some point, and again it came back to the exponential moving average. That's how it is working, and very important to the analytics of chart and taking trades. So this is only one exponential moving average, that is, we can say it is a 9-period moving average. And for better use, we can take additional moving average. For that we are going to use a different indicator. So we are going to remove this one, and we are going to add indicator from this indicators tab. We are going to add 4 EMA. So 4 EMA appear. See, we can see 4 different indicators. So we have, it is very difficult to see and differentiate between them, because it is very adjacent to each other and coinciding. So we have to make some changes to this one. So for that, for any kind of customization for the indicators, we have to go to the settings of each indicator. So for editing exponential moving average, we are going to go into the settings. So we can see input style visibility. We are going to the input, and we can see the time period. So most commonly we are going to use 20 period moving average, then we are going to use 50 period moving average, then we are going to use 100 period moving average, and again we are going to use 200 period moving average. See how differentiated it become. And then we are going to change the style of each of the moving average. First we are going to choose, this is just I am giving some little idea to make your chart better. So this is the 20 period moving average. I am going to give it an indigo color, and we are going to give the same opacity. We can change the opacity as like this, and we are going to change the thickness little bit increase. Next we are going to change the style of 50 period moving average. So we are going to give a color of green here, and we are going to give the same thickness to green, that is 50 period moving average. And then we are going to change the style of 100 period moving average, that we are going to give yellow, and we are going to give the color and thickness, again we are doing the same. Here I am going to give the red because this is the last moving average we are going to use. I am giving it a little bit more thicker than normal. So this is what is the basic requirement and styling of for exponential moving average. And we can also give some of the alerts to this moving average indicators. Here we can see that, and also we can change the directions also. Okay, so this is the best chart you can use. This is the method how you can analyze in the best way. In this also you can see that here we already mentioned that there is a change in direction, and for that we can see that until this period it hasn't touched the 100 moving average. Up to this period we can see that, and in here it is already touched here, and this is a very demand zone, so all the people are going to buy here. So we can see a massive buy here. This is not the case always, but in this situation this is the case, and we are confirming it by the volume indicator. So we can take a buy position here, and we can take an exit here. Then we are going to discuss how to add another indicator, which is called RSI, Relative Strength Index. This will demonstrate how the strength of buyers and sellers are there. So we can see that there is a 40, 60 and even 80 and above, it is going like that. So we can say if the line crosses down the 50, it will be a weakening signal. We can see this is the weakening signal here. We got it at this point, so the next candle automatically has lost its strength and came back to the previous price levels. So here also we can see it has touched over that 50, above the 50 ranges. So this is a confirming signal. This indicator can be used in analytics of TradingView chart. So hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe and share. Thank you.